Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your bank account, and discovering that the money you thought was safely sitting there was never actually sitting there at all. Sounds impossible? Yet every day, banks around the world use money that doesn't belong to them. Your money, my money, everyone's money. But here's the real mystery. How do banks make billions of dollars every year using money that isn't theirs? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the biggest financial secrets in modern history. This is how the banking system really works. Most people believe banks work like giant vaults. You deposit money, the bank stores it, and whenever you need it, you take it back. Simple, or at least that's what we've been taught. But what if I told you that banks don't make most of their money by storing your cash? Because if banks only stored money, they would barely make any profit. Instead, they use your deposits as fuel for a financial machine that never stops moving, and that's where the story gets interesting. The moment you deposit money, the bank sees opportunity. Your money doesn't simply sit inside a vault. Instead, it becomes part of a much larger system, a system designed to generate profits. Banks lend money to people buying houses, businesses needing capital, students paying tuition, and every loan comes with something powerful: interest. The borrower pays back more than they received. That difference becomes profit. And when millions of people borrow money simultaneously, those profits become enormous. Interest looks harmless. A few percentage points, a small monthly payment, nothing to worry about, or so it seems. But interest is one of the most powerful forces ever created in finance. It can build fortunes, and it can trap people for years. The same force that helps banks earn billions can quietly drain wealth from those who don't understand it. This is why financial knowledge matters. Because every loan tells two stories: one person's debt and another person's profit. Now comes the part that surprises most people. Many believe all money already exists somewhere, but modern banking is far stranger than that. When banks approve loans, new money enters circulation, not printed paper, not gold, digital money, numbers appearing inside accounts. And suddenly, the economy has more money moving through it than before. This invisible process helps economies grow. But it also creates an important question. If money can be created through lending, what happens when too much debt exists? And that question has shaped some of history's biggest financial crises. Think of the banking system as a giant chess game. Every move is calculated, every loan carries risk. But banks are experts at managing that risk. They diversify, they charge interest, they collect fees, and they build systems designed to protect themselves. The average person sees a loan. The bank sees a business opportunity. That's why understanding the rules of the game matters, because if you don't understand the game, you become part of it. Credit cards, personal loans, buy now, pay later services. At first they feel convenient, almost magical. You get what you want immediately and pay later. But many people never realize that small payments can quietly become long-term obligations. The banking system isn't dangerous because it exists. It's dangerous when people use it without understanding it. Knowledge turns debt into a tool. Ignorance turns debt into a trap. So, how does the banking system really work? It works because money never stops moving. Deposits become loans. Loans generate interest. Interest creates profit, and profit keeps the machine running. The biggest secret isn't that banks make billions. The biggest secret is that most people never learn how the system operates. Those who understand money use the system. Those who don't spend their lives serving it, and that knowledge alone can change your financial future forever. If you enjoy uncovering hidden truths about money, wealth, and financial power, subscribe to Bold Mysteries, because the world's biggest secrets are often hiding in plain sight.